Jai Shruti.
Ma'am, it is curved inwards, ma'am.
That's all a definition.
No.
Now you mute yourself. Amrita will tell. Amrita, tell me. How will we
Yes,
define
ma'am.
concave mirror? Concave
A
mirror.
concave mirror is a spherical mirror
Very good.
in which the reflection of light takes place
Inside.
on the concave surface, that is
Yeah.
inside.
Inside. Yeah. It is reflection takes place inside, and the painting, that painting place is reflecting. Painting surface will be outside, concave. It will be like this. Okay. Now, very good. Now we have pole. What is the pole of the mirror, Bhagya? Others mute. Pole of the mirror. Bhagya. Okay, Bhagya is not answering. Tarun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer. What do you mean by pole of the mirror? Quickly, forgot. The geometrical center of the mirror is called pole of the mirror. Okay, then principal focus. See, you are not revising. We have, whenever we have physics class, you should study and come. Now, what is principal focus? Tarun? Abhijit? Can anyone answer what do you mean by principal focus? Yes.
Ma'am, rays of light parallel to the
Very good. The rays of light which is parallel to principal axis. Suppose one more ray if you draw one more ray like this, okay, which is parallel to this principal axis after reflection it will converge in one point. That point is called F. That point is called principal focus. That point is called what is the point? Principal focus. Repeat, Abhijit. Repeat, Abhijit. Others mute. Repeat.
Ma'am, Uday is saying to join her in the meeting, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, now you tell, by the time you complete. Now, what is principal focus? The rays which is parallel to principal axis after reflection. After reflection, it will converge to one point called F, and then double the F will be
Center of curvature.
center of curvature. Very good. So P, F, C are important. Now you go to the images formed. Let us start with when the object is
At
between
infinity.
P and F. Okay. Let us start now P and F because I want to tell the users. Oh, this pen is troubling me. P and F. Okay, I'll draw rough work only here. It is not. I'm finding it difficult to draw here. So, but you have to draw proper ray diagram, and you have to write a test in this. Did we complete the test here last time? Or do we have to do again? You forgot everything. So tomorrow again. Today homework is concave mirror definition. Okay. Rubber also is not coming quickly. Yeah. Now, when the object is between F and P, when the object is between F and P, where will be the image?
There will be no image, ma'am.
There will be
Behind
no
the mirror.
image now. Behind the mirror. Very good. Virtual image. One of you answer. Okay. Now, see the rays. You have to draw the rays which is parallel to principal axis should passes through F. It passes through F like this, and one more one passes through C like this. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter should do. Okay, you get the image here. Okay, so you mute yourself, children. Now you get not real, virtual erect image you will get. What type of image you will get? Virtual erect image. This is not dropping also. Virtual erect virtual, erect, big image, really erect image, and also it is bigger size image. You will get bigger size image. Now I am going to tell you where do we use this. Can anybody say where do we use this? What is the application of this particular characteristic of concave mirror?
Shaving mirrors.
Red mirrors.
Yeah.
Red mirrors.
For
Red
that only,
mirrors in cars.
yeah. I wanted to go back to uses. See, it is being used. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you will have, where do we use this characteristic? Your characteristic will be, where will we use it? It's used as a makeup mirror. It is a magnifying, because when you come closer to that makeup mirror, your eyes will be seen little bit bigger, not very big, little bit bigger. So you will able to do making up. So eye makeup now very important, because we are covering with mask, no? So everyone want to put eyeliner. Eye makeup is very important. So for that they should use this characteristic. Which characteristic they should use? Girls. Which characteristic we will be using? If the object is between
P and F.
P and F, the image will be, what type of image it will be? Girls should answer. The image will be
Virtual and erect.
virtual, erect. Images are always inverted. Virtual, erect, and bigger image. So making your makeup mirrors, we are using this characteristic. One more I have shown in the screen. You see, dentist mirror. Dentist, you have whenever you go to dentist, they are using such type of mirrors. Where will they keep this mirror? Where will they keep? Near the tooth. Suppose decayed tooth is there, they will keep near there. So what will happen? The tooth is placed. The object is placed between F and P. So when the object is placed very close, the tooth will be seen bigger in the mirror. Seeing that mirror, dentist can do surgery. You understand? That is the first property uses. Now next property, when you go, next property, what is next property? If the object is at F, where will be the image? Tell me. If the object is at F, where will be the image?
It will
Beyond
be
C.
beyond C.
At infinity.
First mark P, draw 2 centimeter F and 4 centimeters T. If the object is at F, image will be infinity. What type of image? Real?
Inverted.
Bigger size
At
image, ma'am.
infinity. Very good. Very big size image at infinity. So when the image falls like this, so this goes like this. Okay, another ray will go through C. So we will get somewhere image far away. So what is the use of this again? Where will we use this? Where will we use this? See, I have given
Headlight lamp, ma'am.
Yeah. See, torchlight also you see, bulb will be kept. Where the object is, bulb will be kept. So the reflection and that light will fall far away. So vehicle also in headlights, we are using this characteristic. When the object is at F, the image will be far away. So the torchlight is kept there. So this is the uses of the concave mirror when the object is at F. When the object is at F. Okay. Next is what? When the object is
between F and C.
Between F and C, where will be the image? Image will be beyond
C.
Beyond C.
When the object is beyond C, it will be between F, P and F. So there you are, where you will see.
Ma'am, C and
beyond C. So, the uses, we don't use that because it is inverted image, it's difficult. We can just observe in the spoon, that's all. The last one is when the object is far away, where will be the image?
At F.
When the object is at infinity. When the
at F.
At F, ma'am. Focus.
At F.
use the doctor's head mirror. Can you see doctor's head mirror with a small tape in the head? what will happen? The light comes from far away. The light come from far away will get reflected by concave mirror in his head, and correctly it will fall on the focus, so that the doctor can check which tooth or which body parts. ENT specialist also will be using this mirror. If you go for ENT specialist, you can see. So this mirror is used as a head mirror, okay, for the doctors. And one more dish antenna. Here what will happen? Radio and all this audio video will be converted. There will be a concave mirror shape. See the shape of the mirror in the metal dish antenna of television with concave mirror. It falls in one particular place. Their transmitter will be kept and it will be transferred, and it will be transmitted to the some other waves which we wanted to convert. This is a basic. If you go detail about that, you will understand better. But now we learn only the uses of concave mirror. Okay. Did you write uses of concave mirror in your classwork?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at C and F, no uses, no, ma'am. The image.
No, yeah. Wherever they will generally ask, ma. They don't ask detail like this. I am teaching you detail. Okay, because any question comes.
Yes, ma'am.
So they will not ask detail, they'll only ask uses of concave mirror. What all you will write? Concave mirrors are used as headlights in vehicles. Concave mirrors are used by the dentist. Like that, if you write, enough. General statement is enough. Okay, I'm teaching you your detail, but not enough. Not necessary for the exam. Now go to mirror formula.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us go to mirror. Now listen carefully. Mirror formula, ma. Mirror formula is, why this pen is troubling me? Sometimes it's working. See? Mirror formula. What is this mirror formula? What is this mirror formula? Now, mirror formula for concave mirror, I'll explain the mirror formula. Sign conversion, Cartesian sign conversion. To know the distance between the object, image, how much of centimeters will be used. All these things will be measured. Wow, we have some sign conversion, children. What is a sign conversion? We have an object here, correct? When the ray is incident this direction, we will take it as.
Ma'am, your voice is not as clear, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking.
Internet is lagging.
Not understanding,
My home internet is not proper, it seems. Okay, now listen carefully. It's okay. You observe carefully. Little bit. I'll try to avoid that. Now see, calculation part. Whenever you calculate for a problem, you have to take from the pole. The measurement has to take from the pole only. Okay. So whenever you take from the pole, you have to measure 0, 1, 2, 3. When you measure from year to year, you will take it as positive. That means whenever the ray which is against the incident ray, this is incident ray, right? Whenever you measure like this, it is negative. Whenever you measure towards the object like this will be positive. Whenever you measure from the pole, this will be positive. Okay. Whenever you take in opposite direction of the incident ray, you will have to measure positive. When you take towards the direction, suppose the image is this side. The image is this side. When will the image be this side behind the mirror?
When it's virtual.
When the object
Virtual
is
image.
When the object is between
P and F. That time you are going towards the same direction. That time it will be positive. So virtual images, we get positive value. Okay, now let me start with object distance and image distance. What is object distance and what is image distance? Can anyone say?
One, ma'am.
One.
Ma'am, we are not able to.
Can you hear?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not properly, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Now? Wait. Now, what do you mean by object distance? Tell me. The distance between
The
that
distance
and
between the object and the principal focus.
Ma'am, not at all able to hear you, ma'am.
what you only can hear no. Who's that answering me correctly?
Apratim.
Apratim.
Apratin.
Apratin.
Now tell Apratin what is object distance? Right, you are.
The distance between the object and the pole.
The distance between the object and the pole of the mirror is called object distance, U. But we have to measure from the pole. So it will be negative. You have to write it U as a negative value in concave mirror. It differs from the mirror to mirror images. It differs from the objects and images. Okay. Now, what is the image distance? This is object distance. U is object distance. V is image distance. What do you mean by image distance?
The distance between the image
Wait,
formed
wait,
from the
Anu,
pole.
I'll tell you. The image distance is the distance between
The image formed and the pole.
image formed from the pole of the mirror. See, this is from the pole I should calculate. So this V object, you have to calculate from here. So this will be positive. And then this height of the object, this is perpendicular to 90 degree. This will be positive. Whenever it is in, like this below the principal axis, it is inverted means negative. Okay. If you remember all this, you can do the formula. So what is the formula for the concave mirror? Formula for the concave mirror is 1 by F is equal to 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
Plus 1 by U.
1 by V.
Plus 1.
You will understand. Okay. Now let's go to the. Can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you.
No, ma'am. Not clear, ma'am. Very
Not
feeble.
clear. Technical problem, ma'am. What to do, ma'am?
Your voice is
No,
going
again I can't
feeble,
hear.
ma'am.
Okay. Now take the screen and take the first question. Microphone. Now you can hear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can hear. No. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you take your textbook and take your screen pad and write and tell me answer. The image formed by. Others, please mute. That is why you can't hear. Others, please mute yourself. When I'm talking, you mute yourself. The image formed by a concave mirror is seen to be virtual. Question. This is the problem number 1. Okay. The image formed by concave mirror is seen to be virtual, erect, large. Virtual, erect, large. Virtual, erect, large. Okay. The position of the objects must then be dash. Where should be the position of the object? Can anybody answer before giving me choice?
Between C and F.
Object
Between P and F.
between mute
Between P and F.
F and P. Between P and F, B, A, that is A. Then B. At the center of curvature. B. At the center of curvature.
The object will be at center of curvature.
Center.
Hey, ma'am.
C. C beyond. C is center of curvature.
Between C and F.
This is very mathematical question. You can write it in the class, okay? As a beyond C, capital C.
Between C and F.
Between F and
Fourth one between. Wait. Fourth one between P and F. Between capital P and capital F. Now tell me the answer correctly. Who's going to tell me? Me, Apradan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear, ma'am. Your voice is not coming proper here.
It's okay. See the screen.
Ma'am, E and A are
Ma'am,
same, ma'am.
this one,
F
first one
and
and first one
C.
are the
This
same,
is
ma'am.
C. First one F and C, not P.
F and C, ma'am.
That is not P. C that is
Answer is A,
Answer
ma'am.
is
Between C and F.
not coming.
it'll be behind.
C C.
Ma'am,
No.
between P and F.
Now I
Between
want
P
answer
and
from
F.
one person.
ma'am.
Answer is E.
E, ma'am.
E,
There
ma'am.
is no E only. That D that is.
E, ma'am. D, ma'am.
D, D,
Okay,
D,
D, ma'am.
D, D, D,
Correct.
D.
Enough, enough.
D, D.
Now, very good. Now, this is NCERT question. One more. One more you write. A concave mirror has focal length 10. Second question. Put. A concave mirror has a focal length. A concave mirror has focal length 10 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. F is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Where should an object be placed? Where should an object be placed? Where should an object be placed? In front of this mirror. Where should the object be placed? In front of the mirror to obtain. Where should the object be placed? In front of the mirror. Where should the object be placed? In front of the mirror to obtain real inverted same size. To obtain real inverted
C.
same size.
At C.
At C,
C.
ma'am.
20
At
centimeter
C.
on the
Who said 20 centimeter? Who
20
said 20
centimeter.
centimeter?
Ma'am,
Vamsi. Who said 20 centimeter? Abradhen or Vamsi?
Apratham and Abhijit, ma'am.
Okay. Now 20 centimeter. F is equal to 10.
F
You
is minus
applied
10,
on
ma'am.
F is equal to 10. So 2F will be 20 centimeter. So object should be at the distance of 20 centimeter in front of the contact.
Ma'am, plus 20, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be negative, no, ma'am. Left hand side of the
Yeah.
mirror.
Yeah, they are not at all. We are coming to mirror formula later. This is just how much is the distance. That's all. Okay. So where will be the image? This question is not coming to mirror formula. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we'll go to mirror formula. This is basic. Okay. Now I'll send the homework also in the WhatsApp. Now next question. Find the size. Find the size. That question. Find the size. Writing is looking bad. Find the size, nature, and position. Find the size.
Ma'am, not able to
Ma'am,
hear
your voice
you.
is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, you see, see the board. See the board. Can you hear? Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes.
Then you
Very
don't
small it is.
Yeah.
I'm very small.
Wait. 1 minute. Find the size, nature, and position. Find the size, nature, and position of image formed. The board. Find the size, nature, and position of formed. Position of image formed. Of image formed when the object size is. Find the size, nature, and position of image formed when the object of size 1 centimeter. When the object of size 1 centimeter is placed. When the object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. Within bracket, F will be 10. Focal length of the mirror will be 10. Internet is lagging. Okay. Now how to do this sum? you should first write what is given.
Ma'am,
Like
position of
mathematics,
the
when you should write first write what
object
is
is between
Ma-
F and C, ma'am.
first you write what is
Because
given. You tell me what to say to answer.
F is
Now, what
given,
is given?
ma'am.
U
And
is given, ma'am. U is
no.
minus 15.
You is very good.
U is given,
Ma'am,
ma'am. U is given.
B is given, object distance is given.
Then
So
wait,
it's
wait, wait.
minus 15 centimeters.
That is
Minus 15, ma'am.
Now wait. I told you can be calculated in concave mirror from the pole, so it is negative. So the object distance is 15. So minus 15
Minus.
centimeter. You write. U is minus. In concave mirror, U is minus. Then go to V. V is not given. Question mark. V should be calculated. Then F is given. F also will come from pole only. F also minus 10. So put minus 10. Okay. That's all is given. Then size is given. Object size. So what is that? One in the formula, we have magnify formula. I told you mirror formula is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So using this, we can calculate V. After that, magnifying image, magnification also one formula is there. What is the magnification formula? M is equal to minus V by U. How much it is magnified, how much it has been enlarged. That is magnifying formula. Then this one more the three formulas you will be using. The other formula is the size of the image divided by the size of the object. Three formulas. Okay. Now let's start first. Find out what is V. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, children. Okay. Now you substitute. Now you substitute, what will get you see?
Yes, then.
Correct. Very good. Plus. Others have to answer.
1 by minus
1 by minus 15.
1 by minus 15 plus 1.
minus 15.
1 by minus.
Okay. Plus 1 by B.
1 by V.
1 by V.
This also I'll put it on top so that I'll not get confused. Now 1 by V is equal to what? You must take this
Minus
side.
1 by
Minus by plus 1.
1 by 15.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
This is basic maths. Now take except this one to get 30. So into 3 minus 3. Take LCM here. 2 you will get. So what is the answer?
1 by 30.
Minus 30.
Look again, minus 1 by
6, ma'am.
Minus 30,
30.
ma'am.
Why 6?
Minus
Okay.
30
So V is equal to minus 30 centimeter.
centimeters.
Only thing you have to do it correctly, which is positive, which is negative. Okay. So now the image distance will be minus 30. So focal length is F. LCM is 30. You understood how I did calculation?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me. Now we have what we have. We have got image. Now you
And
calculation.
V is positive. No?
V is positive. Huh.
Negative. It is the left side of the
V is
mirror.
negative because
Near the object only the V is.
because it forms the
Left
left
side
side of
of
the
the
mirror.
mirror.
It's given. Okay, minus sign shows the left side of the mirror. It is forming left side of the mirror. Okay, so because it is not going, see ma, image is this side ma, incident ray is this side, direction is this side, but we calculate from here, so it is minus only. Even object we should calculate from here only. So that is U is also minus, V is also minus. Only when the image is this side, it will be plus. You understand?
Oh, for object between F and P. Ma'am.
Yeah. So now,
Yes,
what is the nature now? Tell me nature of the image.
It is
Real,
Real and inverted.
Inverted image.
inverted image.
Real and inverted.
Real, inverted image.
Enlarged.
Enlarged. How much is enlarged? Because in inverted image, how big is the we need to get the formula. What is the
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello?
Minus.
To calculate
Ma'am.
m, m is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now you substitute
We're
minus
not able to hear you, ma'am.
30,
Voice
that
is not
minus
clear, ma'am.
30 by
minus 30 by minus 15.
I said no, the
Minus
lots
2.
of drawbacks are there in the online classes. We can't help you at all. In this case, I can't help you. Certain things you try, ma, please. Now, technical problem. Now, you minus magnification is minus 2. And what is that? M is also is now h dash by h used. That means h dash is a object image size.
Height of the
Size of the image. And this is size of the object. So minus 2 is equal to the object image. What type of image will be how much you tell me? See the question. When the object of
1
size 1.
centimeter.
Centimeter, ma'am. H by 1.
We don't know. So when I cross multiply, I get h1 is equal to minus 2. So this minus shows that it is an inverted image. The minus show you should write down here, children. The minus shows it is inverted image. The minus shows it is an inverted image. So the magnification is minus 2. So at last you have to write down the 2 centimeter long image is formed before the principal axis. That is a real inverted image. Inverted 2 centimeter image, real inverted 2 centimeter image formed. Real inverted 2 centimeter image formed where? Below the principal axis. Why is this negative? Because it is formed below the principal axis. Okay, that's all. So if you do so much, and then you will get the 3 marks. Okay, children. So what we will do?
Now, what's the units for standard units, like for magnification?
Magnification is twice. It is no unit because unit get cancelled. No h1 dash by h. It's getting cancelled. M is equal to h dash by h. So both units get cancelled. Magnification, how much? It's only number. Magnification, there is no unit, only number. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll send the homework and classwork. Classwork is uses of concave mirror you should write, and that problem which all I have done you have to do. And then homework I will send the homework in WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. You recorded session is there. You check